Hi grade 4s, welcome to your next lesson of music. Today we're going to go for a long piece, one that we haven't done in some time. So last time we did Jingle Bells, and this time we're going to do a very famous Christmas piece called O Come All Ye Faithful. So today I have it in the book and not in my usual sheet because this has a lot of lines going on here. We can see that with the grand staff, which is this black line, it is encapsulating how many bars, how many lines? 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. The top line is always our melody and the bottom two always are harmonies. So it has the main melody and 2 different harmonies. And so writing that out needs a lot of space. So we're just going to have to read it from our book, and you can be able to print it out. Just make sure you go into facts and you just download the piece and print it out, and you can follow that and you can make it as big as you want. But for now, I'm going to try and work with this because getting through the harmony, we also need to know which harmony we're on. So let's start off by reading our rhythm. So hopefully you have the piece in front of you and you'll be ready to go ahead and read the rhythm. So we don't get confused, we're starting with the melody, which is the top line of every grand staff. Our grand staff is this big black bracket. All right, that's some English technique right there. Our big black bracket. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, and we're going to read the top line, the top line, the top line, this line, this top line, this top line. So we're going to read the top line of all of these lines. All right, every line that is in our grand staff, going to read the top line. So you're literally going to skip over 2 lines, read. Skip over 2, read. So just make sure you have your eyes on that grand staff to show you where each top line is. So let's start off by reading our rhythm. We're going to come in after a count of 3 because we have 1 beat in here and we're supposed to have 4 beats. So after a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ta, ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ah, tum, ti, ta, ah, ta, ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 tum, ti, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, ah, ah, tum, ti, ta, ah. So we literally have every type of note in our music apart from our pairs of eighth notes. We only have our single eighth notes, and that's tum, ti. But we have a ta, ah, a ta, ah, a ta, ah, and a tum, ti. So a lot of notes. So let's get straight into it and let's start playing. So in our top line, which is our melody, we have our G and then G for 2 beats. So let's try it out after a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. Then we go to our D, G, A, D. Let's try that out. D, G, A, D. 3, go. Let's take it from bar 1 up until bar 3. 1, 2, 3. Bar 4, we're going to go B, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, go. And it sounds like it wants to go all the way to this B. So let's go ahead and play that B, A, G. All right, so let's go for that B, A, G. 3, go. Again. Let's go from bar 1 all the way till bar 5. 3, go. Easy stuff, you can hear it. Let's go for G, F sharp, E, right here. 3, go. Again. Let's go to bar number 7. We have we're going to keep climbing from F sharp to G to A to B. So here we went down, now we're coming back up. Make sure you can see those patterns, they really help. So F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Let's start it from this F sharp over here, G, A, B. 3, go. Let's now take it from this G all the way up into that B. 3, go. And let's finish it off with our F sharp, E, D, D, 2, 3, 4. So our tom T rhythm. So let's go F sharp, E, D, D, 3, go. Again, go. Let's take it from bar number 6 all the way up until here. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's take it from the top all the way up until this last D. 1, 2, 3. So let's go to our second half of our piece. We're going to start off on a D, C, B. Let's try that out. 3, go. Again. Then we're going to go C, B. 3, go. Let's put these two bars together. 3, go. Next bar, we're going to go A, B, G, A. So a lot of moving there. A, B, G, A. Let's go. 3, go. Again. Then we finish it off with another tom T. Tom, T, ta, ta. So F sharp, E, D, G. Let's go for there. 3, go. Again, go. Let's put this whole line together. 3, go. And this note immediately takes us to that next G, so we're going to play that G. G, G, F sharp, G, A. So let's go from here. G, F sharp, G, A. 3, go. And then in our next bar, we have a G, D, B. So big move right there from our D to our B. So let's try go G, D, B. 3, go. All right. Let's put this bar and this bar together. 3, go. And immediately, let's go for this next bar, which has our B. So B, A, B, C. 3, go. Let's put this bar up until this third one over here. 3, go. Then we go B, A, B. Let's try this fourth bar there. 3, go. Okay. Let's try put this whole line together. 3, go. Let's go from this top line to this top line. Make sure you're not getting confused by going from here to this next line and that next line, because that means you're reading from the melody to the first harmony to the second harmony. No, you have to stay on the melody, then the melody again. So let's go from here up until this breath mark over here. 1, 2, 3, go. And immediately you can hear it wants to go to that next line. Oh, come, let us adore him. So let's just take it from the C. We're going to just keep descending all the way up until that F sharp. So C, B, A, G, F sharp. Let's try that. 3, go. And immediately we hear it. G, C. Let's try that. Let's put these 2 bars together. 3, go. And let's finish it off with these last 2 bars. B, A, G, G, 2, 3. Make sure you hold this beat for 3 beats. A lot of us like holding it for 4. No, it's a dotted minim, so 3 beats. So let's take it from this B to that Tum T rhythm. B, B, A, G, G, 2, 3. Let's go. 3, go. Let's put this whole line together. 3, go. Cool, let's put this line and this line together. 3, go. Let's now take it from this second half from the top line. So second half of our piece from the top line till the end. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, now let's try and put the whole piece together from the beginning until the end. Remember, reading the top lines. Practice it a few times so you don't get lost. 1, 2, 3. Alright, grade 4, so that is our whole piece, O Come All Ye Faithful. You can actually sing it exactly as you know it because the piece is no different. But now, let's see how it sounds when you put the 2 different harmonies together. 1, 2. that's how you play O Come O Ye Faithful. Make sure you practice it exactly the way it is. You know the words, so don't try and guess anything. Make sure you're reading, and if you read, you'll never get lost. And your parents also know how it sounds, so they'll be able to catch you in case you think you're playing it correctly, but you're getting away with some wrong notes. So make sure you play correctly, and make sure you read the top line of every grand staff so that you don't get lost. So in total, we have 6 lines. Your goal is to be able to play it while someone else is playing the harmony. I will play the second harmony. Hopefully, I'll find someone who can play the first harmony, or I'll play the first harmony so I can play the second harmony. But the point is, you're going to have to play the melody while listening to the harmony. So make sure you can play along in the part where I'm playing the harmony. All right? So have fun practicing this, and I will see you in our next video for the instructions for what you're going to do for your final assessment. Bye, grade 4s.